Hi, my name is Abra, and I'm from Discovery Outdoors. And this week, that one guy you normally see that goes blah blah blah, he's not here. It's my turn. Hi everyone, it's Abra from Discovery Outdoors, and this week we're changing it up a little bit, and we're doing the most beautiful clips, videos, shorts, stints, whatever you want to call it. So this video is really cool because he took this in the fall time. As you can see, the leaves are really pretty. I really like this shot because the leaves on the water, it looks so cool. It's like almost like a picture or like a puzzle. You would put the pieces together and then it comes together and it's really pretty. I like this video because the rain makes it look really peaceful and tranquil. This video clip is pretty neat because Matt ran into this guy on some back channel stream river thing, and the guy like lived on his boat, which is what Matt wants to ultimately do, and own a marina. Oh, I like this one because the sunset. All the sunsets on the water are really pretty. Oh, yeah, I remember this one. So this one was the one where Matt was had to whip his phone out real quick and record the rain, and then like it was like across the lake, and then it came back a little bit, and just nature. So beautiful, so beautiful.
This is too beautiful. This is clear, right? It just stopped raining. Check this out. Pouring rain across the lake right there. That's what just hit me. You can hear the rain. I love nature, man. This is too cool. Too cool. Oh, here it comes again. Better put my phone up. Well, I wasn't ready for this. Everything's getting soaked, including me, of course.
Well, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of a twist up this week. And we are going to be having an extra fun video coming up soon. So make sure not to miss out on that. Bye!